Pitta constitution, fire and water. You have a medium frame, you have a keen intellect, a strong appetite and digestion, fine thin hair, warm extremities, perspires easily, and you can get irritable and angry under stress or if you don't eat lunch. Agni is also known as your digestive fire. Why I started out with the Pitta constitution is because Pitta body types really have to understand that all the body types, there are 12 body types in the Ayurvedic system. There are 3 main body types, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Pitta has the strongest hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is second to battery acid. So if you don't eat lunch, you have all that acid, that the largest amount that secretes in the circadian cycle, a 24-hour cycle, is between 10 and 3. So if you don't eat between 10 and 3, you are prone to getting irritable and angry for the rest of the day. One of the most fundamental concepts in Ayurveda is that of Agni, because it is the entire digestive system, and it also includes hydrochloric acid, the strongest acid in the human body and second to battery acid. Agni is the digestive and metabolic fire, or hydrochloric acid, you could also say, produced by the doshas that grabs the essence of nourishment from the food, feelings, and thoughts and transforms it into a form in your body that your body can use. Through the heat of Agni, various tissues of the body produce secretions, metabolic reactions, and other processes needed to create energy and maintain and repair the body. Agni is also part of the immune system since its heat destroys harmful organisms and toxins. The activity of Agni, or you can also say the activity of the digestion above the belly button and digestion below the belly button, varies throughout the day, and as you'll learn in later videos, maintaining the strength and natural ebb and flow of your digestive fires is needed for good digestion, good immune function, and resistance to disease. If this information is helpful to you, please like, comment, and subscribe. Agni is needed to form ojas. There is a video on ojas, and you can go and take a look at that. Ojas are the juices of a healthy body. Thank you for watching. You can find my book on Amazon by searching for my name, Dr. Helen Mary Thomas, and the keyword Ayurveda. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a question for me to answer. For an Ayurvedic consultation, call 707-527-7313.